Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So y'all, today I'm doing a little story time on how I had two Gemini friends as a Gemini. So we're gonna start from the beginning, the very beginning. So we was all cool junior year in high school, and we was like road dogs every day, all day. It was us. We even had a group text, a group message where all of us in it. We would talk outside of school, all of us, so it's ain't just no school friendship type of thing. So yeah, we was all close junior year. Then it came senior year, we didn't have the same classes as we did from junior year, which made us close. So senior year comes around, we all have classes together, but we didn't get to meet up together, if that makes sense. So we still all had classes together. So one day I helped A, we gonna call her A. I help A do her math test. And I was helping her in that class anyway. So I would send her homework. She'll text me right before she get to class talking about she need the homework, and I'll send it while I'm already in class. And she was always late to class trying to do her homework last minute. So that's that. So then when it comes time for the math test, I help her try to cheat on it. And the whole time, my teacher called us because he don't play that. So my teacher called us, and he was just like, Ariana, come up here, give me your test. And I'm like, okay. Like, I know that I'm trying to help her, and I know what I'm doing. Like, at the end of the day, I knew what I was doing on that test. So he ended up saying, what are you doing? I'm just like, I'm trying to help, blah, 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 blah. He's like, why are you trying to help her? She need to learn how to do it on her own because you got a perfect score. So it's no need for me thinking that you cheating. You really trying to help her cheat. And I'm just like, okay, cool. I'm not going to do it again. So from then on out, I didn't help her again on the math test. I would still send her the math homework, but I would not give her no answer to no math test because I'm not risking throwing my whole grade out for that class because I know what I'm doing in math. So then fast forward to like a couple weeks after that, she was supposed to give me a ride to work. Usually I will ride with M. So M was just like, y'all, I'm not going to work today. I'm not feeling it. So we was like, cool. It was me and D that rode with M. So me and D was like, okay, we gonna ride with A. So when we asking A, can she take us to work? We like, we'll give you gas money so we don't have to spend no money on Uber. So when we doing all of this, we just like, okay, cool. We gonna ride with A. So it come down to it. I had lunch this day. I always ride my lunch to work. I really didn't like eating out. So I was letting A know. I said, I got lunch and I got to warm it up before we go to work. She's like, okay, cool. So mind y'all, everybody's trying to go to lunch. You know, you got them kids that always brought their lunch to school anyway, even though they wasn't going to work like me. So people had lunch food, and I'm just like, okay, I'm going to try to get down there as early as I can. And I tried my best, and I still could not be the first one at the microwave. So when I get down there, it's probably like 3 people in front of me, and then it's only one microwave. And this microwave was a raggedy microwave, y'all. Like raggedy. Like you put it on 5 minutes, your food still ain't warmed up type thing. So she's blowing me up before I can even put my own food in the microwave. And I'm just like, okay. Like I'm telling her, updating her, like it's one person in front of me. I'm about to put my food in the microwave. I'm doing all of this, and she's still blowing me up like she's really in a rush to get to work. So I finally end up getting my food in the microwave. Like I said, it don't matter if you put that microwave on 5 minutes, girl. It's still not going to be done. And I had chili. So therefore, I'm just like, I'm putting my food in the microwave right now, girl. And if you want to leave me, you can go ahead, because I'm not about to keep on doing this. I already said I was going to give you gas money. And for you to be getting gas money, you rush me like this is crazy. So I was just like, you can go ahead and leave, and I'll just find my way there because I'm not going through all of this. It don't need to be all of this just for me to get to work. We all work at the same place. It ain't like you going out of your way. We all going to the same place, all going to the same gate when we get there. So she was just like, no, I'm going to wait on you. I'm going to wait. So I'm like, okay, cool. Here I come. I'm coming down the hallway. It's a long hallway, y'all. Then I got to go out the building and walk down the stairs. She wasn't even in the right place. She was still in the parking lot across the street from the school. So as soon as I walk out the door, I see M. So M is like, hey, Ariana, you can ride with me. So I'm like, cool. Like, because I can't find A and D. And I'm trying to call her, and then she ain't answering after she just blew my phone up like that. So I gets in the car with M. So then I tell M what's going on, and she just like, see, I was just trying to chill today and ride by my lonely. It's too much going on, and I'm going through it with this, and that. And I'm just like, let's understand. People want to go on their own time, and it's really not your time because she's the one that has the car. So I ain't mad at her. So then I get to telling M what's happening and what just happened with A. And A's all mad because I guess she just wanted the gas money. She always needed gas money. I've even gave her gas money before just to give it to her. I didn't ride with her. I literally gave her gas money one day. And I'm like, where's all your money from work? Like, we work at the same spot. Like, why don't you got gas money? But I sent her gas money one time without me riding in the car with her. I'm just like, this is weird. Yeah, after that little situation, I ain't never talked to her. Didn't even text her. Like, the next day, I seen her in class. I didn't speak to her. I ended up changing my seat in that class. So I was like, I don't want to sit by her because it's too much animosity about nothing. Like, from the get-go, I was giving you gas. You was rushing me. Like, no. How you gonna get mad I got in a car with somebody that actually wanted me to get in the car? She wasn't rushing me. She seen me first before I even seen her. So what do you think I'm gonna go with? So then we had the other Gemini friend. We gonna call her T. So T finds out that we not cool no more. And I'm just like, yeah, this is the situation. And she was just long after that, me and T fell out because she was being weird in class. She would just stare at me and not speak. So yeah, y'all, that's the story time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video, babes.